How to hide locked chats folder on WhatsApp. Before proceeding towards the video, let me inform you that you must update your WhatsApp app so that you can enjoy the latest features of WhatsApp from Play Store or App Store depending upon your mobile device. Once done, go and open WhatsApp. Then make sure to sign in on your WhatsApp account. Then you have to select the chat that you want to hide the locked chat. So let's open it. It can be individual chat or group chat as well. And then you have to tap in the username at the top of the screen. Once you're on this page, you can see chat lock icon. You simply need to toggle on the button. So once you lock the chat, it will be automatically hidden as well. So let's toggle on the button and you have to tap on continue and confirm face or fingerprint to lock. Once done, let's come back and as you can see that it has already been hidden. So in this way we can successfully hide the locked chats folder on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.